Okay, this is a video for chimneyheaters.com, and I'm going to show my chimney and the project that I did and how I no longer need heat from the gas or electric company. This is my first video, so if it's a little shaky, then just cut me a little slack on that. Okay, so here's my chimney. Alright. Now we'll take a little look inside. The first thing I have is one firebox chimney heater on the bottom. And it is attached light. Sorry it's dirty, but that's what happens inside a firebox. And we are attached to another chimney heater on the top, which gets direct flame. And yes, it does also get dirty, but doesn't seem to make any difference whatsoever. Okay, so the water comes in here, goes around all these things, up, around the top, comes out here. On the other side of my chimney, here are the pipes. This top thing is a little dealie to remove air. It's also a pressure valve, relief valve, but it's not a very good one, so you need more than that. Now my pipes go underneath the tile, up the wall, and into this radiator. So let me back up a little. This radiator is connected to the central heating. So once it goes in that radiator, it goes from that radiator to the rest of my house. Down here, I have another more professional pressure relief valve. And believe me, you need this because this thing makes a lot of heat. And if your electric goes off and the water stops pumping, and you don't have one of these valves, it's going to go boom. So far I have shown the two inserts inside the firebox. I also have a spiral chimney insert in the chimney itself, which is a little overkill for this house, but I'm experimenting with stuff. So let me show you that. Stand up on this thing. Okay, so here's the pipes for that one. The water comes in here, comes out this pipe hot, and goes into the wall. Another pressure relief valve on this system, which is separate than the one that I already showed you. And the pipes go down the wall and into the central heating system inside the wall. I'm going to show you some pictures or post some pictures on the website where there used to be a radiator right there and there no longer is. Okay, so that is my system. You know, a wood stove, a normal chimney is a lot easier to install these things, but my wife said, I don't want to see the pipes, so I had to do some extra work. Okay, now we're going to go in the kitchen where my electric heating system is. So here's the heater. This is the pump that circulates constantly when I have my chimney on. Here's the pressure of the system, which right now, because it's cold, it's about 1.2 bar. And we got about, 25 degrees Celsius. The heaters are now off. I'll put them on. Sorry for this shaky video. Okay, so now the heaters are on from the electric. You'll see that temperature rise in here in a second. Okay, so you can see that's rising. So we're going to shut that off because we don't need it. So now I only have the pump circulating. And in the next video, I'm going to start a fire. And we're going to watch this temperature rise with no electric, only from the fireplace. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, we're getting ready to start the fire. Pressure is 1.2. Temperature is 26.2 degrees Celsius. The heaters are off. That's on. Now the heaters are off. When you press this button, it shows you what to set the heat to. When you press it again, it tells you exactly what the water temperature actually is in the central system. Okay, well, it rained like crazy last night, so all my wood is wet, so the fire will take a little longer to start than usual. The time, 8:21 a.m. on a Sunday morning. And here we go. I have no place to put the camera, but I'll try to start this fire with one hand. See if I have any talent for this. I start my fire using pellets and some lighter fluid. Okay. Right now, this is cold to the touch. I can just leave my hand on it for as long as I want. It's colder than my skin. And I'm going to end this video for a second and then let it warm up a bit, and then we'll go watch the temperature rise in the kitchen, in the central system. Okay, see you in a bit.